What happens when alpha value is gone below 0? How does an image look like? Well, in today's world, everyone know what alpha channel actually is. So if you don't know, let me show you. So this is my image, and here this A is my alpha channel. This RGB are red, green, blue. If I just drag my alpha channel to the left, it becomes completely 0, and even our background image is completely vanished, or it's transparent. So if I bring up the A value, you can see our image brightened up, and now it's completely opaque. So this alpha value is used in games, VFX, animation, photo editing, and many more. What happens when this alpha value is gone below 0? Well, there is nothing slider here to move this to below 0. So this we will be doing using our Godot game engine, and this is my script. Well, if I run now, here you will see that this is our image, and our image slowly turns to transparent, and when our alpha channel goes below 0, you can see how this image actually looks like.